Hi friends, it's Jenny and I am back with day 3 of the Jesse James Beads Holiday Advent Calendar for 2025. I opened day 1 and had a fun sparkly pen I got to put together. Some of you expressed interest in seeing what I would do with it, and I thought I'd show you. I know Becky showed off in the beginning of her day 2 video some of the things she made from her day 1 as well. Now, I haven't made anything from day 2 yet, but Becky did. If you missed her video, check out the playlist. It will be in the description below to see any of the days that you've missed. She went ahead and made a cute bracelet and earring set. So I have no idea what's in day 3. But we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Becky and I are bouncing back and forth. We both got the advent calendar. Actually, it was really sweet. Becky bought this for both of us. So thank you, Becky. And we're going to bounce back and forth and open, I have all the odd days, she's got all the even days, and we'll be opening the last one on Christmas Eve. Becky will be opening that one. I'll be on my way to go visit other family. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy month. So here is day 3. And ready or not, here is the reveal. Oh, there's a few items in here as oh, it's a couple of bead strands, friends. It is a couple of bead strands. Not just one, but 2. It's actually a double bead strand. They are linked together up here at the top. Let me move my sparkly pen. She's grabbing all the attention out of the way so that this will focus. These both have a lot of metal on them, so Becky's going to be doing some nickel testing, but these colors are right down my alley. I love silvery blues, like silver and moody blues. Like we've got these snowflakes that are very light. Let's get this on a dish so you can see that color a little bit better. They're light, like slate blue gray, these snowflake crystals, and then there's these rounds between them, kind of a filigree round between each of them, and a little glass pearl on either end. And then for the main strand, so this seems like it's a complementary strand, to turn this into like a 2-strand bracelet really easily, or combine them and make a really pretty necklace. But gosh, there's some really pretty beads on here. So we've got a couple of these little trees, kind of a tree of life coin bead. There are some bead caps and some disc beads, some different bead caps. Gotta have a super sparkly rondelle. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time with focusing today. Come on. So super sparkly rondelle, and then these guys. So these are like, they look like dichroic glass, where they put the stuff on the inside. I'm not sure if these are glass or acrylic. I don't know. But then you got to have a big sparkly ball, because I think I said it in day 1. If there's not a big sparkly bead, is it even JJB? And oh no, my bead strand came undone at the end. That little crimp slipped open. So it's not the main strand, but the snowflake one. So I wasn't going to undo the strand for this video, but here we are. This was the other strand. Just getting this a little bit more. Yeah, so you can see those a little bit better. So that's what was on the other strand. That crimp just slipped loose. It's just a flattened crimp. So let's see. Oh, we were on the sparkly precious bead in the middle. I love these colors. There's like teal and a light kind of aqua blue, and some more like AB iridescent ones in there. Super, super sparkly. Another couple of types of bead caps. That is actually a cap. It is concave. And then it repeats out on the other end. So we got a couple of bead strands. So I will need to test the metals before I can make something with this. So I'm not going to be making something at the end of this video, or maybe I will. Maybe I will pause this video, get the testing done, and because my husband needs to do the testing when we do it at my house. Becky does most of our testing, but I will I will kind of check on that, because I think this could be a lot of fun to make something with. I would have to just leave out a lot of things until I knew for sure if I could use the metal. So here's this bead strand. And then this was the other strand that came with it, the double icy snow strand. And I have no idea why this especially just has the hardest time trying to focus. Too many points to, there we go. Nope. I went away. There we go. There we go. We got to focus. We got to focus. It took some manipulation, but it's there. But there's a lot of really fun things on this. So I'm looking forward to playing with it. I think it's fun. I think it's icy and there definitely hits that winter, I want to do something with this. So yeah, I want to do something with this, but I don't know what. Okay, I am not going to make with this. Becky, however, is going to be watching this video, and she's going to see that I opened this up, and she's going to know I need her to test some metals, and then she can make something and show you what she made at the beginning of her next video, or she can let me know and I can show you what I made at the beginning of my next video. We'll talk about that off screen. But either way, this one's a nice little short reveal, just because I'm not going to make something with it right now. But this was, like I said, this was day one. Day two was a fun bead mix that, you know, go check out the video to see what's in it. And Becky made a bracelet and earrings. And this just, this is exciting to me. This is exciting to me. I know my friend Jennifer will be really sad when she sees that I had a bead strand that I usually cut my bead strands. She doesn't, Jennifer Miller. But when she sees that I had one that just fell loose, I had no choice but to have all the loose beads from it. She's going to be so sad. That's okay. It doesn't bother me. But I'm going to scoop up these beads and do something fun with them. I just don't know what yet. So look forward to something with this from me in the next few days as we continue to open our Jessie James bead Advent for 2025. And it just looks so sad. I'm gonna snip off the sad wire that's not actually attached to anything right now, because it just looks sad and empty. I'm gonna fix that. Here we go. All right. Now that looks nice. Now that looks nice. All right, zoom it in so you can see all that really nice. There we go. That's a good last look at the items from this. Day 3 of the Jessie James Beads Advent Calendar for 2025. And see that bead? I love that bead. I love that bead. I love that bead. There's a lot of beads I really love here. So I hope you had fun with this. Keep your eye on our channel. If you haven't already, hit subscribe so you see our upcoming videos. Becky is going to be posting for day 4 here on this channel. You don't have to go anywhere else for it. And there is a playlist if you missed any of the days in between. Just that's in the description. You'll find it pretty easily. You can also just go to our channel and check out our playlist. It is going to be one of our recent playlists. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hit like, subscribe, and as always, my friends, happy beading, and don't forget to play. Bye.